This is definitely some nostalgia for people. Focus free with flash, 28 millimeter, a 35 millimeter reusable film camera with flash. They have a bunch of different color options. It's the reusable item number from Amazon. This was sent to me from the company, from Amazon. Special thanks to them. Of course, sent me green. That's it for the box. So a little user's guide here. I would actually need this, considering I don't think I've ever, oh, is this in, okay, yeah, there's an English side. I don't think I've ever used one of these. Like, I remember my parents having one, but I don't really remember using one. It's reusable, that's good, you know. So a little wrist strap there. Oh, it takes batteries too? Dang, I didn't even think of that. So looks like a AA battery goes down in there. Yeah, this opens up for your film. And you had to put the film thing over here and like pull it across. And I remember you had to like turn this thingy, click, and then you could click and take a picture. And that's if you want flash or no flash. So that'll do it for this 35 millimeter reusable film camera unboxing.